Hey guys, Krisha here. Please be cautious of any fake comments and emails you may receive from people pretending to be Mango Research. Sean and I will never ever contact you for investment opportunities or anything of that sort. To get in touch with the real Mango team, make sure to join our official Discord chat using the link in the description below. Stay safe out there, and remember, do it Mango. And hello everybody, welcome to the Mango Grove. My name is Krisha, and this is today's Bitcoin analysis video. Now this is something that's extremely impromptu, I figure. Given the current price action that we're experiencing, I think a daily video is warranted. But I have essentially two cases for you today. All right, a bullish case for Bitcoin as well as a bearish case for Bitcoin. Now, I understand that everyone's feeling super bearish here with this current price action, but all is not lost for Bitcoin, believe it or not, all is not lost. So what we're going to be doing is I'll first give you the hinge of my thesis on Bitcoin, right? The hinge is the same thing for both the bullish case as well as the bearish case. And that hinge, guys, comes in right here. If I just draw out this horizontal line right here, right? The hinge is the fact that we put in a brand new high in the month of October, right? And that's really what got people feeling super bullish. Remember, as soon as we put in this high, everyone was feeling super bullish, Mango included, right? So we said, okay, we put in a brand new high. There's a good chance that we get supported along this $59,000 region. We bounce off of it and boom, to the moon. But no, what we're experiencing now is another sort of pullback to the downside. I know pullback sounds, I'm sort of trivializing it at this point. I know some people are feeling pain, but hey, if you're feeling pain, come on out and join the Discord chat. If you feel like you need a community behind you, need someone to talk to, please come on out and join the Mango Grove Discord chat. Link in the description below. But getting back into the analysis. So here it is, okay? Now that this is the hinge, the bullish case for Bitcoin is that this is merely just us putting in another higher low on the monthly time frame. So if you're wondering, Krisha, to what end? All right, where does the higher low really come in? So this is the region that I'm really looking at for the higher low. All right, this right here. So I'm essentially looking at this wick high right here. I'm drawing out a line. I'm looking at the points that we have confluencing over it, and that comes in at around 50.6K. Alrighty, that's the higher low that I'll be looking for Bitcoin to at the very least come down to. However, if we break that to the downside, in addition to that monthly 10 SMA, I'm saying that, okay, we're perhaps getting into an intermediate to a major bear market. Okay. So it's going to be an if this then that, but I don't believe that all is lost for the Bitcoin bulls, because what we could potentially see is price come down, put in the next higher low leading into the month of December, and we see another uptick in the month of December, once again breaking the highs at the 61.7K region. We start seeing that, I'm saying further up we go, this actually does see continuation to the upside. That is the trend direction. All right, it's going to be an if this then that, of course, but right now I'm looking for 50.6K at the very least. Do I think that Bitcoin still has more to go based on the current sort of setup? I think yes. I think there's some few interesting patterns playing out on the lower time frames. Perhaps we can go over them as well. But I say that at the very least we come down to 50.6K. Now this is the bull case for Bitcoin. There is the bear case that I spoke about. In that case, once again, this high is going to be the hinge, right? The bear case is that this entire region turns out to be a bull trap. All right, so now hear me out. If Bitcoin actually loses this 10 simple moving average to the downside, I'm saying we're getting into an intermediate to a major bear market phase. Right? At which point I'll be looking for Bitcoin to come all the way down to around this region right here, which comes to around 39.4K. All right, that's the next major region that I look for Bitcoin to actually inch its way down to. But given that it loses the monthly 10 simple moving average. Now guys, remember, we don't have much time before the month closes. That we have another 4 days to go before we actually close this monthly candle. Right? So there's a lot of information is going to be given to us as soon as we approach the next monthly close. So as soon as we actually come down there, 39.6K, and if we get supported there, Bitcoin might actually put in a more prolonged consolidation, at which point I'll be looking for something like this to play out, which is a prolonged consolidation, something that looks much like an ascending triangle, and then we could see a break leading into fall of 2022. Okay, but this is contingent, guys. Remember, I'm giving you these levels because this is how we're going to be playing it. Contingent on us actually losing the 10 simple moving average. We're not too far from it right now. All right, but before then, Mango is not going to be leaning super bearish here. Yes, on the minor timeframes, like the 4-hour timeframe, 12-hour timeframe, yes, we're leaning bearish. I think we could see another spill to 50.4K. Right? But for us to get macro bearish or macro in a, state of consolidation that, okay, we have another longer period of consolidation to deal with, we need to lose a 10 simple moving average. I know there's a lot of bearish sort of news on the horizon right now. So we're seeing a lot of the markets tick down, but I don't think we should be scared here. I think there are trades on either side of the market. So yes, there's still going to be opportunity nonetheless. It's just about assessing the trend and really understanding where it's at right now. All right, but right now, the bears have it on the minor timeframes. The bulls could pick it up on the macro timeframes, so eyes peeled on the right levels. The level that you need to be looking at right now comes in at 50.6K. Bitcoin gets into danger zone, believe it or not, as soon as we break 28.8K. So I'm essentially looking at this candle here. I'm looking at the wick low. We break 28.8K. Bitcoin comes all the way down to, brace yourselves, 13.8K. Yeah, that's actually the next major region of support that we have underneath us, because just notice the entire volatility in the zone. Bitcoin was super, super volatile. There was no other hinge here, maybe besides 20.1K. So yeah, we could see a stutter stop at 20.1K, but I think that the major region of support on the monthly only comes in at around 13.8K. Okay, but once again, if this then that, I think that the bulls could still pick it up. Look for the 10 SMA to hold and look to see if there is another higher low being set in. This could be the major tell. We put in a high on the month of October. This could very well be a gift. How do you play this? Well, handle it off of a major level. Essentially giving you a major level here at around 50.6K. If we break 50.6K to the downside, if we start seeing additional weakness on 50.6K, I'm saying further down we come. However, if we start seeing rounded formations on, say, the daily time frame, right, at around 50.6K or even the 12-hour time frame around that region, that's telling you something. That's saying that, okay, we're putting in a consolidation here. If it turns out to be a bullish consolidation, like a W-like formation or something, we could see another move to the upside leading into December. Right? But these are formations that you look for, reversal formations that you look for to really anticipate the next move. But as far as the lower time frames are concerned, I'm saying that Bitcoin has more way to go. Notice how we had a breakdown of this bear flag, right? This was a bear flag right here. Just to show you guys this. This is how you spot a bear flag. That was a breakdown of a beautiful, beautiful, very neat bear flag from Bitcoin. If I just look at the minor move that we could make right here, we're looking at, oops, look at that, damn, 46.1K. But I'll still be giving more importance to 50.6K because that has significance on the monthly as well as the weekly level. All right, so I always give precedence to that before I look towards the measured moves. So eyes peeled on the macro levels because that is going to be your guiding light getting into the month of December. Remember, guys, there's no need to feel too sad here because there's still going to be volatility in the market. As traders, that's all we should really care about is volatility in the market. Where is the next opportunity and in what direction? Those are the questions that you need to be asking here. All right, now once again, guys, you need any support, you need a community to talk to, you need people to talk to, you want to speak to someone about these moves, come on over to the Mango Grove and, well, make new friends, start a conversation. There are lots of cool people. And yeah, this is all I have for you for today with this, guys. Trade safely, trade stress-free, trade the mango way, trade the easy way. Ciao.